Welcome to What is Active Directory? After watching this video, you will be able to define Active Directory, describe Active Directory administrative features, explain the Active Directory structure, including domains, trees, and forests. Active Directory is a directory service developed by Microsoft designed to help administrators manage user accounts, computer systems, and network resources in a centralized way on a network. Active Directory serves as a centralized repository for user accounts, authentication information, and access control policies. Active Directory stores information about users, groups, and resources, letting administrators control access and enforce policies across the network. Its benefits include streamlined user management, enhanced security, and simplified resource sharing. Active Directory has various administrative features, including organizational units called OUs, home folders, folder redirection, and security groups. By leveraging these capabilities, organizations can streamline network management, improve security, and enhance overall efficiency. Let's briefly discuss what each of these features are. OUs are containers within Active Directory used to organize and manage resources based on administrative needs. OS let administrators delegate administrative tasks, apply group policy settings, and manage permissions more effectively. By structuring OUs according to departments, locations, or other organizational criteria, administrators can efficiently manage user accounts, computers, and other resources. Home folders provide users with personal storage space on the network, letting them store and access their files securely. In Active Directory, administrators can configure and manage home folders for individual users or groups. Setting permissions and access rights makes sure users have control over their files while maintaining data security. Home folders enhance productivity by providing a consistent and accessible storage solution. Folder redirection is a feature in Active Directory that redirects specific folders from a user's local machine to a central network location. By redirecting folders such as documents or desktop, administrators can ensure data consistency, backup and recovery, and simplified management. Folder redirection reduces the risk of data loss due to local machine issues and provides a seamless user experience despite the device they are using. Security groups play a crucial role in access management within Active Directory. They let administrators logically group users, computers, and other resources based on common security requirements. Security groups simplify permission assignments by granting access permissions to the group rather than individual users. This approach enhances security as access rights can be easily managed, audited, and changed when needed. Group policy is a powerful tool integrated with Active Directory for enforcing settings and configurations across the network. Group policy objects, also called GPOs, let administrators define and apply policies related to user and computer management. GPOs can control various parts, such as password policies, software installation, and security settings. Group policy ensures consistency, simplifies management, and enhances security across the organization. Active Directory operates in a hierarchical structure consisting of domains, trees, and forests. A domain refers to the network environment within an organization. Domains encompass all the devices, users, and resources that are interconnected and managed under a single administrative authority. An enterprise domain tree represents a hierarchical structure of interconnected domains within an organization, while an Active Directory forest is a collection of one or more domain trees that share a common schema and configuration. In this video, you learned that Active Directory helps administrators manage user accounts, computer systems, and network resources in a centralized way on a network. Administrative features in Active Directory include organizational units called OUs, home folders, folder redirection, and security groups. The structure of Active Directory uses domains, trees, and forests.